Yes, super excited. I can still see that most of the rhubarb has come back to life. So they're looking pretty good. The leaves are kind of back, and the stalks are not limp anymore, and everything's looking pretty good. You can definitely tell they kind of struggled a little bit because some of them turned a little brown around the edges, like that one and that one in the back there. So I mean, I won't say they look great, but compared to how they looked when I planted them, they're looking mighty fine. This guy's looking pretty good. So yeah, some of the little ones maybe, you know, who knows. There's a little tiny one in the back there. That one might not make it, but I'm sure at least some of these will survive, so I'm actually quite happy about that. Just wanted to give you guys an update in case anybody was curious. Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Just want to do a super quick update video today. A couple things in the garden here. I wanted to let you guys know the raspberry plants are actually doing quite well. There's lots of little you know, fruits developing here, as you can see on a bunch of them. These are just kind of starting. A lot of the canes have the little fruits starting, and I'm happy to report that 18 of the 19 that we planted seem to have survived. So even the ones that I had kept in the garage and got dried out and all that kind of stuff, even they have survived and are putting out new shoots or new growth right next to the old canes. So I'm actually super excited about that. You can see this one's doing quite well. It's got a lot of new growth down there and out here at the end as well. So yeah, it's doing good. Pretty happy about this, and yeah, hopefully get some good raspberries in the coming years. So yeah, I'll show you guys a couple of other things too. Cool, just wanted to give you guys a quick update here on the peppers and the tomatoes and corn. Everything's looking pretty good. So yeah, you can see you know, the corn seems to be nice and green again for the most part. There's a couple little brown spots here and there, but I think it's going to be fine. And the peppers are looking great. The tomatoes are looking good. No problems. The little artichokes here in the front, some of them seem to have some kind of little pests going on them, and some ants maybe harvesting the little guys on this one. You can see them kind of up close here. Just tried to kind of, you know, take a look, but I'm not gonna bother with it. I'll just leave it alone. We'll see what's what. And then yeah, there's just so much little stuff happening here. You can see so many spiders and ants and bugs and everything. I don't know, I kind of love just looking around the garden. Sometimes it's fun. But anyway, that's what it's looking like now, and hopefully we'll start seeing some growth after all this rain we've been getting. I'm always harping on about the you know, dryness, and we just had like so much rain in the past few weeks. It's really crazy. We'll see how the summer's going to shape up though. I just heard from my wife last night that they're expecting some insanely hot summer temps this year, and I don't know, like, we'll see what happens. I think the mulch is going to be a big asset. We'll see. Just end here with the blueberries. They were looking fine after I planted them anyway, but they're still looking fine. And you can see that the fruit is starting to potentially darken a little bit here, so that's a good sign as well. We will see what's what. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Keep it short for today. See you guys in the next one. Bye.